The moment we open the door, the lights automatically light up slowly in turn, tuned to your favorite light, welcome home. The moment we close the door, my home will automatically turn off all the lights. How to create coming home or leaving home. 1. Enter the Smart page of Surplife app, click Create Smart or the icon at the top right of the page, and select Coming Home or Leaving Home. 2. You need to set your home location. Click Set Now and Allow Access. Go to Setting the location permission of this app to always allow access. Otherwise you cannot perform location-based smart operations. After returning to the app, click Allow Access to enter home location settings, select your home location and save it. 3. Click Add this phone to add a mobile phone that allows access to location permissions. 4. After adding a mobile phone, return to the Create Smart page and the mobile phone with the home location added will be displayed. Click Next and select the time period when you want to perform the operation. 5. If my device is selected as the execution object, please select the device you want to operate and click Next, and then click the icon on the right side of the device to enter the selection effect interface to set the device on or off. If the device type allows, you can set the RGB color, color temperature or built-in mode, etc. You can also set the delay and a gradual change duration of the device. Or apply to other devices of same type to set other devices of the same type with one click. Then click Confirm and Done to successfully create the smart operation. 6. If my scene is selected as the execution object, you can select the scene to be triggered on the premise that the scene has been created, and click Done. Note, Bluetooth device does not support this function. Thanks.